It's been great having you assume the role of a prompt engineer, but it would be great if you would inform our viewers about why prompts are so important.
Great question. Prompts are important because they provide a starting point or an idea for people to begin thinking or creating. They are especially useful when it comes to lifestyle prompts because they encourage individuals to try new things, explore different perspectives, and step out of their comfort zones. Prompts can also help people overcome creative blocks, providing inspiration and direction when they might not know where to start. They can be used in a variety of contexts, from journaling and writing exercises to artistic endeavors like painting or photography. If you're looking to grow and develop as a person, ChatGPT can be an amazing tool to help you achieve your goals. One of the best ways to do this is by using prompts. Prompts are like guidelines that you can provide to ChatGPT to help it generate high-quality text that is personalized and relevant to your specific needs. By consistently providing prompts, you can help ChatGPT learn more about you, your goals, and your interests. Using prompts can be particularly useful for personal growth because it can help you explore new ideas and perspectives. For example, you might provide a prompt asking ChatGPT to generate text about a topic you're interested in but don't know much about. This can help you learn new things and expand your knowledge and understanding of the world around you. Additionally, prompts can help you reflect on your own thoughts and feelings. You might provide a prompt asking ChatGPT to generate text about a particular experience or emotion you're going through. This can help you process your thoughts and feelings in a new way and gain insights into yourself that you might not have otherwise considered. Finally, prompts can help you set and achieve personal goals. For example, you might provide a prompt asking ChatGPT to generate text about ways to improve your productivity or manage your time more effectively. This can help you develop new skills and habits that can help you achieve your goals and become a more effective and successful person. So, if you're looking to grow and develop as a person, consider using prompts when using ChatGPT. They can help you explore new ideas, reflect on your thoughts and feelings, and set and achieve personal goals.